Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. In today's video, I just want it to be a whole update video on how you guys are doing with Unearthed. Um, I'm going to cover models. I'm going to cover how you guys are doing with your qualifiers and anything else that you guys want to throw down in the comments section that you just want to announce to the world. Updates, bragging, whatever you have it. But let's get started with the mission models. Okay, guys, what in the world is going on with the silo? It just feels like there might be 3 or 4 models this year with Unearth that just keep falling apart. The silo is probably our #1 model that we have had to rebuild, fix, break, and then we fix again, and it's just getting super frustrated. Throw it down in the comments section if you guys are having the same issues with your silo. I actually had to super glue the little red handle because every time we would hit it, it would fall off, and it was so frustrating. So it just feels like that model comes apart very quickly. So I'm a little bit, what's the word, disappointed in this year's models that just seem to be coming apart very easily. Um, the ship, the sand falls apart a lot. Um, the one, shoot, my memory escapes me. It's in the northeastern part, the one where you slide the red lever. That one seems to come apart also. So it's just a little frustrating, you guys, where you have kids and even myself when I would program it, robot's gonna hit these models, especially the silo where you have to hit it hard, and it just feels like the pieces are coming apart really easily. So throw it down in the section if you want to claim any mission model that seems to be frustrating you, just to the point where it's worth saying, that everybody else can chime in and see how they're doing. What mission do you guys find the most satisfying? Throw it down in the comments section. What seems to be the one where you guys are like, yeah, it's super fun. It's super, whatever the points might be really good for you guys. But throw it down in the section. Which one does your team seem to just have a great time getting? Like you get it often, it's satisfying, whatever. You guys know what I'm talking about. Let's now go to any updates that you guys have about your qualifier. I know back in California, we used to do our qualifier in November, right in around the middle of November. So throw it down in in the comments section. Your team number. What did you guys win an award for? What place did you guys come in? Did you qualify for your championships? I know for us, our qualifier is December 13th. My team is going to the Marble City qualifier here in Knoxville. And so, we're really excited. It just feels weird to be qualifying in December, but hey, we're rolling with it and we'll take the extra time because we got a late start. We're finding our groove and we just need to, we need the extra time to kind of patch things up, solidify things, get more missions done with the robot games. So we will welcome the extra time. But how did you guys do? Throw it down in the comments section because we want to announce to the world how did you guys do and what are you proud of? Any awards? Whether you didn't win an award but just had a great time, let us all know about that. And then lastly, you guys, it's just one of those things where you're in the middle of this season. For some of you, I hope you're moving on. But if it's the end of your season, what did you learn? What did what are you looking forward to for possibly the new year? Do you have any spring tournaments you're going to? What were your proud moments this year if your season came to an end? I'm kind of looking at the whole package here of your season. I hope your season's not over. I hope you guys are planning to, because it seems like if you wait a whole year, you lose some of that edge. I hope You go to a spring tournament, maybe you got a sumo bot, something, in the spring. So what are you looking forward to for this new year coming up? But that's kind of the way this update video was going to be, is just to give you guys a chance to vent about those mission models. Let us know how you did about your qualifiers. What are you excited for the future? What are you excited for that just happened, this season? So this is a completely unearthed. Tell us something that you want us all to know. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. Definitely hit up those comments section with anything that you guys want to talk about for Unearthed. You guys might even have questions about, your robot game missions, your project, core values. We're here for you to answer any of those questions, okay? Thank you guys so much for joining me on today's video. I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.